Maheiroi Khunaida Paojel Pihoubna Angang Oina Luhongba Thingbda Mateng Oigni Haina Ngasi District Court Complex BISHNUPUR PANTHOKKHIBA District Level Painting Competition gi MATHUM YENTHOKPGI THOURMDA District and Session Judge to OIRIBA District Legal Services Authority BISHNUPUR ki Chairman SAMOM IBJEN na PHONGDOKKHRE National Legal Services Authority gi meeting makhada Manipur State Legal Services Authority amadi District Legal Services Authority BISHNUPUR anina khutsamnaduna Class 3 dagi 6 Paubagi Safe Water, Safe Art Amadi Class 7 dagi 10 Faubuna Prohibition of Child Marriage Haiba Thimda Category Ani Thokna Mathang Sitna Pangthokibani Bishnupur District Laidiba Maheiroi Chamga Kunna Sarukiyaduna Pangthokiba District Level Painting Competition Aduda Makok Mathang Takiba Sing Amadi Consolation Prize Ahumahumda Selgi Manapi Duni Kaikumna Buutki Thoromasida District Legal Services Authority Bishnupur gi Secretary Su Oiribi Binesuri Maibam Loinana District Asigi Legal Aid Clinic Singi Paralegal Volunteer Singsu Sarukyaki.
Very good number coming from all the schools nearby of this district. And I also like to thank all the teachers and parents who have assisted in getting this competition a grand success by bringing all the students and letting them participate in the Yon Bina, parenting, guardiansing, and the family, Zasna, nothing from the same way, and so have a proposal. Mr. Julie Oina Luhongba as well. And the first second, third, hello, and Hakatingai, and the student have the competency, and the skill. Everyone is a winner. Though due to the reasons of giving the category of first, second, third, only they are giving. So in future also we'd like to organize this kind of program. It's a very grand success. Though we have done selective shoe only, we accommodate a woman by the world school again, one of her Tanaka Sato, Adui, in future we might and yet to Price distribution tools,